guys, welcome back to my channel, Chase ASMR, and today we're just going to be kind of talking, get to know each other a little bit, but while I chew on the end of this toothbrush. So let's get started. I want to know, comment down below, who is your favorite ASMR artist? Mine probably has to be Luna Bloom. I found her on TikTok and she's kind of who got me started into watching ASMR, and now I watch tens, maybe 50 different ASMR artists. Not only who is your favorite ASMR artist, but what is your favorite trigger from ASMR? Mine has to be writing on a piece of paper, or like pretending like they're writing on a piece of paper when it makes like the pen noise on the paper. Has to be that. And lately, I've actually really started liking like mouth noises, like I don't think my mic's sensitive enough to like pick that up, but I've started really liking that type of stuff. I think in the very near future, I'm gonna do a cosplay and like not reenact, I'm gonna say it. I'm going to like script talking back and forth, because I love those type of, Amy K does those a lot, and I really, really like that. So I think I'm gonna start doing that, not just like with the noises, but also like personal attention and like interaction videos. I think I'm gonna end up doing that. I really like those, and I feel like they get like the audience, they get you involved in the video, and I really like that style. I think I'm gonna do that. But I'm not gonna cosplay it crazy, you know. I have one idea in mind. I was about to do something like super. I was going, oh. I thought it would make a noise, but let me not do that. Might get like not demonetized, but might get striked or something. I've actually been growing out. You probably can't see it, but I've been like growing out my nails so I can do like tapping on stuff. Well, that was a very poor example, but like, I'm sorry, tapping on stuff for like my next couple of videos coming out. Cause obviously I don't have nails like the girls and the women that do ASMR, so like I'm trying to grow a little bit out so I can tap on things. I do like the sound of those tapping like on books and like hard surfaces. guys. I hope you have a great day.